If you're into running or cycling, you've probably heard of Strava. But is it really the best app for tracking your workouts, or is it just another fitness trend? Today, we're diving into what Strava offers and if it's worth your time. Strava is a fitness tracking app that primarily focuses on running and cycling. It allows users to record their activities, track their progress, and connect with a community of like-minded athletes. Right off the bat, the interface is user-friendly, making it easy to log workouts and view performance metrics. You can map your routes, analyze your performance over time, and even challenge friends to friendly competitions. One standout feature is the segment leaderboards, which let you see how you stack up against other users on specific routes. This competitive edge can be motivating, but it might also pressure some users to push beyond their limits. Strava also integrates with various devices and fitness trackers, which is a plus for those who don't want to manually log everything. However, some aspects feel a bit unclear, especially around premium features. While the app is free, the subscription model for advanced analytics and features may leave some users wondering if they're missing out on something essential. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Strava excels at community engagement. The social features allow you to share your workouts and cheer on friends, which can be really motivating. The route mapping and tracking capabilities are also top-notch. On the downside, the app can feel overwhelming for beginners, especially with all the data points available. Some users have expressed frustration over the premium subscription model, feeling that key features should be included in the free version. There's also a bit of a trust concern regarding privacy, as the app has had issues in the past with location data being exposed. Ultimately, while Strava is fantastic for serious athletes, casual users might find it a bit too much or even feel pressured by the competitive aspects. In conclusion, Strava is a powerful tool for dedicated runners and cyclists looking to track their progress and connect with others. However, if you're just starting out or prefer a more relaxed approach to fitness, you might want to explore simpler alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying, but be aware of what you're signing up for.